So many people get confused about the rules of roundabouts. I want to make them really easy for you in this video. So first of all, before we talk about roundabouts, let's talk about crossroads. If you were in this green car and you wanted to tell people you're turning left, what would you do? You'd indicate left, of course, wouldn't you? If you wanted to tell people you were turning right, you'd indicate right. But what would you do if you weren't going left, you weren't going right, if you were going straight ahead? What indicator is in your car to tell people you're going straight ahead? Well, the answer is none. Not indicating means I'm going straight ahead, doesn't it? You know that. Even if you're driving on a twisty, turny road like this one here, if you were signalled left, that would mean you were going down this road. If you signalled right, that would mean you were going down this road. But if you're going to end up going up here, even though the road bends around to the left and then bends around to the right, you wouldn't signal, because not signalling means I'm going straight ahead. Now, when you're dealing with roundabouts, you need to think there are two separate signals to deal with, two separate ones. So first of all, what signal are you going to give to tell people which way you're going? How are you going to tell people you're going left, right, or straight ahead? The second signal is when you're on the roundabout, you're driving around it, how are you going to tell people you're leaving the roundabout? So that is two separate signals, isn't it? One when you're approaching, driving towards, one when you're leaving. Let's talk about the signal you're going to give when you're driving towards a roundabout. It's exactly the same as this. Exactly the same. If you're going to go left, you would signal left, and you'd be in this left-hand lane. If you were going to go right, you would signal right, and you would be in this right-hand lane as you're driving towards the roundabout. So what about if you're going straight ahead? What was the rule here? The rule here and here is if you're going straight ahead, even if it's a curvy road, you're not going to signal. It's the same here. If you're going to go straight ahead, even though the road goes round to the left and round to the right, you're not going to signal because you're going straight ahead. Not signalling means I'm going straight. And then when you're on the roundabout, you will always signal left to leave. You're always going to signal to leave a main roundabout. So let's go through each junction here. If you're going to go left, how are you going to tell people I'm turning left? You signal left on the approach and you keep the left signal on. And when you're on the roundabout, you're still signalling left to leave. So it's left and left. Just keep the left signal on. If you're going to turn right, you'll signal right on the approach. Signal right. When it's safe, you'll enter the roundabout and go into the right-hand lane. You keep signalling right until you get to here. Now you're just passing the exit before yours. So you need to tell people you're leaving. So when you get to here, you start signalling left to leave the roundabout. Always left to leave the roundabout. Let's talk about going straight ahead. Can you remember what signal tells people you're going straight ahead? Yeah, it's nothing, isn't it? Nothing. Same as here, same as here. No signal means I'm going straight ahead, doesn't it? Pop that back in there. Awesome. So no signal, and you're going to end up being in the outside lane, the left-hand lane. Now, as you pass the exit before the one you want to take, you start signalling left to leave. You always signal left to leave, and then you can warn other people what you're doing. So if you're going left, signal left. If you're going right, signal right. If you're going straight ahead, don't signal. When you're on the roundabout, you always signal left to leave. I hope that makes sense. Now, those are the rules for main roundabout. Should we talk about this junction here? This is also a right-hand turn, so it's going to be very much the same as this right-hand turn. As you're driving towards the roundabout, you're going right, so you'll signal right, you'll approach in the right-hand lane. When it's safe, you'll enter the roundabout and get into the right-hand lane. You're still signalling right. Keep signalling right. Keep signalling right. When you pass this exit, the exit before the one you want to take, start signalling left to leave the roundabout. Now let's talk about the rules at a mini roundabout. So while you're driving towards the roundabout, it's going to be exactly the same. If you're going left, signal left. If you're going right, signal right. If you're going straight ahead, you don't signal. We don't have a signal to tell people we're going straight ahead, do we? But when you're driving around the roundabout, it might be that tight. You might be steering so much that it's difficult to signal to leave the roundabout. So when you're driving around a mini roundabout, you may not signal to leave. You don't need to signal to leave. And certainly if there isn't time, it's going to make your steering a bit wibbly. Don't signal to leave a mini roundabout. I hope that explanation about roundabouts and mini roundabouts signalling has helped you. Don't forget to follow for loads more content on theory and driving. And if you want to know that you're going to pass your theory test and you want to feel really confident about passing, sign up for my pro course. Complete Theory Pro has got everything that you need to pass your test. The link is in my bio.